Hey everyone, today I'm going to clean the AC evaporator tube because I was getting a little bit of musty odor when I turned on AC of my 2020 RAV4, Toyota RAV4. It's been 3 years I've been driving this car. I bought it brand new, it runs awesome. One thing I did, normally the car starts with the AC into circulation mode, and I just kept doing it in the automatic mode, like AC in auto, so it kept circulating the inner air. So I think that actually caused the problem. The AC inside was getting a little musty this summer. So what I did, I decided to buy, this is one of the two actually that came together, Toyota AC power foam that actually cleans, and I will show you how to do it. This one that cleans the AC evaporator tube inside, that's the one you need for step 1. And the second step, you will need this, the conditioner or refresher. So for step 1, you have to put this tube in a sprayer, and at the tip of this sprayer with this tube you have a wedge-shaped, cone-shaped or wedge-shaped tip that actually goes to the evaporator tube. So the question is, where is the evaporator tube? In Toyota and most other vehicles, by default the AC evaporator tube should be a little behind the passenger wheel. This is the passenger wheel. This is, you will see the water dripping here when you turn off the vehicle and your AC was still running. When you turned off the vehicle, you will see those water dropping from somewhere. That water dropping, those drops of waters normally come out through the evaporator tube. So let's look carefully here in Toyota. This is what you will see. That is the drain tube or evaporator tube. So the first step is that you use that wedge-shaped cone-shaped tip and press it inside that tube and hold it there. Maybe use the gloves. I just don't have the gloves today, so I'm using a plastic bag. And press that sprayer, remove half of the content, and put a pan here. This is my oil drain pan. And after spraying, let it run. Let it clean the drain tube that will kill or drain all the molds and everything inside. Then you have to repeat it until this foam container is empty. So I just put the cone-shaped tip there on the evaporator tube, and I will press the remaining foam. I will spray the remaining foam by pressing the sprayer. So it's a little difficult to hold the foam. So I pressed one more time, and you can see the foam here, and eventually this foam will liquefy and clean the inside. The second step was to spray this ventilation system refresher into this air intake vent while keeping the engine on, AC on, non-circulation mode cancelled, and changing from passenger to floor and from floor to the defrost mode, and running them for 5 to 10 minutes. And you need to keep the windows down to let the chemical out, and that should clean the AC system, especially the evaporator system, and it should be very refreshing inside the cabin. This is what came from the after cleaning the evaporator drain tube.